Hi friends, welcome to Knowledge Press YouTube channel. This is a second episode, Simple Present Tense Potential Mode section. If you want to develop English knowledge, please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, leave a comment in the comment section, share my video amongst your friends. Let's move on to our tutorial. In this tutorial, I am discussing Simple Present Tense Potential Mode. You have to use may, can, must. Now see, may, can, must are used to indicate that we want, that we can, that we should do. In this section, we have to divide into two parts, which call active voice and passive voice. Now see how I do this active voice sentences. First, you have to use subject, then can, may, must, present verb and object. Now see the example. He can finish my cash account. I may write his document and I must finish my cash account. Now see how to turn into passive voice these all sentences. When you do, you have to use first object and can, may, must. You have to use be, be, and past participle. If you want to use by, then you have to use example, my cash account can be finished. His document may be written. My cash account must be finished. Now see, can be. The past participle of finish, finished. Now I am going to discuss example. Active voice. I may read a poetry every day. Now see passive voice. Object you have to use first, can, may, must be and past participle. A poetry may be read every day by me. Now I am going to discuss next example. The cleaner can peel the mango. Passive voice. The mango can be peeled by the cleaner. Next example. He must sell stylish apparel. Passive voice. Stylish apparel must be sold by him. What is the past participle of sell? Sold. It is an irregular verb. There are two videos I posted in my channel, irregular verbs. You have to go and search. Now I am going to discuss an example. The consumer may refine the font. Passive voice. The font may be refined by the consumer. She may lock the door every day before 10 p.m. Now I am going to discuss passive voice. The door may be locked every day before 10 p.m. Now I am going to discuss active voice. Now see. The chorister can interchange the money. Passive voice. The money can be interchanged by the chorister. Next example. They must make sandwiches here. Passive voice. Sandwiches must be made here. The past participle of make is made. This one is also irregular verb. Next one. The annunciator may put the ballot paper into the ballot box. Passive voice. The ballot paper may be put into the ballot box by the annunciator. Next example. She can buy clothes. Passive voice. Clothes can be bought by her. And also I want to tell you to the past participle of buy is bought. Now I am going to discuss next example. The housekeeper must launder the clothes. Passive voice. The clothes must be laundered by the housekeeper. Now I am going to discuss next example. I must do my homework every day. Passive voice. My homework must be done every day by me. Next example. The coordinator may present the summary. Passive voice. The summary may be presented by the coordinator. Next example. The magician may know wonderful tricks. Now I am going to discuss passive voice. Wonderful tricks may be known by the magician. Next example. The dealer must close the door. Passive voice. The door must be closed by the dealer. They can wash the floor every day. The floor can be washed every day by them. Next example, the buyer may undertake the money order. Passive voice, the money order may be undertaken by the buyer. This one also irregular verbs, undertake. Next example, he must clean this place thrice a day. This place must be cleaned thrice a day by him. They can close the market on Sundays. Passive voice, the market can be closed on Sundays by them. Next example, the doctor may advise her to take this pill daily. Passive voice, she may be advised to take this pill daily by the doctor. Now I am going to discuss next example. They can make these toys for tut plastic. Passive voice, the toys can be made from tut plastic by them. Next example, the baby may break the glass. Passive voice, the glass may be broken by the baby. Next example, my sister can finish the cake. Passive voice, the cake can be finished by my sister. Next example, the teacher may start the course. Passive voice, the course may be started by the teacher. Now I am going to discuss active voice sentence. She can use the computer. Passive voice, the computer can be used by her. Next example, he must write the email. Passive voice, the email must be written by him. In next tutorial, I have to plan to discuss the simple present tense subjunctive mode. Stay tuned. See you in future video.